Hello friends, welcome to Overcome channel. In this video today I am going to share with you 3 school teaching job vacancies in KSA. If you are considering becoming an international teacher, this video is for you. Let's start the video. In URL you can put www.pisjes.edu.sa. If you are entering this URL you can get this main page, Pakistan International School, Jeddah. In this main page, right corner menu available. If you click this link menu, you can get one option contact. If you click this link contact, you can get one option carriers. If you click this link carriers, you can get what are the current openings. If you click this link current opening, you can get what are the job vacancies for Pakistan International School, Jeddah. So here they are given doctor for our clinic, deputy heads juniors and middle and senior, head of department junior and middle and senior for all the subject teacher for senior school, that means English, mathematics, ICT, Pakistan studies, biology, chemistry, physics, commerce, PE, Urdu. So these are the subject teachers vacancies. Homeroom teachers junior school. So here they are given leadership vacancies, admin vacancies, teaching vacancies. If you are interested these job vacancies, you can apply as per the instruction. For example, if you are interested for subject teacher senior school, you can click this link. If you click this link, you can get what are the qualification and experience they are expecting. So minimum masters with 2 years of teaching experience, IGCSE and A level curriculum, fluent in written and verbal English communication. So if you are interested and if you meet the above criteria, you can click here to apply online. So if you click this link, click here, you can get one online application form. This application form should take approximately 10 minutes to complete. There are only 3 sections to this application form. You will require to upload a letter of application, up-to-date CV and photograph. Finally, your passport. Please ensure you have all documents ready to upload. You begin this process. First one is your personal details. So if you don't have ICAMA, you can update your passport details. Then your qualification, upload your photograph, upload on CV and passport. So once you have all the details finished, you can enter the text. Finally, you can send. Once you have sent the job application, you can get acknowledgement via email for your future reference. So like that, you have to send the online application, Pakistan International School, Jeddah. Otherwise, if you want other teaching job, that means homeroom teachers mean, you can click this link. So here they are given qualification and experience. Make sure before applying, please check your skills, eligibility, requirement, qualification and job description, etc. So one by one you can click and you can check your qualification and experience. Once you have completed, you can apply as per the instructions. If you want to know more details about these job vacancies and about the school, you can check it in the menu. You can get it everything from in the menu itself. So here they are given Pakistan International School, Jeddah and equal opportunity employer. All complete application are reviewed by the Human Resource Department. If you would like more information about any of the position posted below or have any question regarding this hiring process, please contact hr@pisjes.edu.sa. If you have any queries, you can contact this mail ID. The second one is you can enter in the URL www.kfs.sch.sa. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page, King Faisal School. In this main page, one of the option in available employment. If you click this link employment, you can get what are the current openings. If you click this link current opening, you can get what are the current openings for primary year program, homeroom teacher, middle year program. They are given here visual arts, design, Arabic teacher, English, mathematics, science, biology, chemistry, drama, ICT and diploma Arabic, English, economics, mathematics and PE. So these are the vacancies for King Faisal School, KSA. So here left corner job description available. If you want to know job description, you can click here. So job description 4 pages available. So make sure before applying, please check your job description. So these are the job description for all the position. Purpose of the position, primary duties and responsibilities, general requirement, qualification, bachelor degree in subject or education, teaching qualification, master degree in education or other area. IELTS score is 7 for general, 6.5 for academic. CELTA or Delta or equivalent qualification needed. So evidence of continuing professional development. So minimum experience they are expecting at least 5 to 7 years of teaching experience for essential. Desirable is 3 to 5 years is in experience in IP school. So here they are given what are the essential, what is desirable. So knowledge and skills, personal qualities. So everything they are clearly mentioned in the job description. Make sure before applying please check the job description. So if you are interested these job vacancies, so you can click in the top of the email human resource office. For example, if you are interested the job vacancy, you can send your CV and cover letter to job@kfs.sch.ca. So here they are given human resource department email ID. You can send your job application job@kfs.sch.sa. So this is the way you have to apply King Faisal School KSA. The third one is you can enter in the URL www.aisj.edu.sa. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page American International School Jeddah. In this main page, one of the option work at AISJ in the top of the menu available. If you click this link, you can get what are the current openings. So in this page, one of the options vacancies. If you click this link vacancies, you can get 21-22 openings. Elementary school PE teacher, elementary school tech and STEAM teacher, speech and language pathology. These are the vacancies for 21-22. 21-22 job openings will be posted in mid-October also. So you can visit this website. You can get what are the job openings for 21-22. They will post in mid of October. So what are the qualifications? So here they are given required qualification. Minimum 2 years of teaching experience, bachelor degree in the subject area, knowledge of the American curriculum, excellent computer skills experience, strong oral and written communication skill, native or bilingual English speaker. So what is the recommended qualification also they are here given itself. So what are the compensation and benefit? So competitive tax-free salary, health insurance, relocation allowance, furnished housing, professional development, round-trip airfare, dependent tuition discount. So these are the things. Once you are get the offer letter, you can get what these are the things. So if you are interested these job vacancies, you can send interested candidates send email including their CV and other related employment document to apply@aisj.edu.sa. Be sure to include the desired position title in the email subject line. So these are the things they are mentioned here itself. If you want more details about these schools and job vacancies, you can check it in the menu. If you are interested in exploring our international teaching job, please visit our channel. Please note that only shortlisted candidate will be contacted. If you do not hear from the school, please assume that your application has been unsuccessful. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can share with your friends. Someone will be benefited. If you have any doubt about these job vacancies, you can comment. I will reply to you. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.